10.5 million views, 2,700 new subscribers, no team, no face, only free AI tools. Most people set up their YouTube channel wrong. Wrong name, wrong description, wrong tags, and the algorithm never trusts them. I'm going to fix that in the next 5 minutes. Step 1, your channel name. Don't just pick anything. Your name tells the algorithm what you are. Use this exact ChatGPT prompt to generate yours. Step 2, channel description. This is not just for viewers. YouTube's algorithm reads this to understand your channel. Use this prompt, copy-paste it into ChatGPT. Copy the output. Go to YouTube Studio, Settings, Channel, Basic Info. Paste it into the description box. Step 3, channel tags. Most people skip this. Don't. Tags tell the algorithm exactly what videos to recommend you next to. Use this prompt. Copy all 15 tags. Go to YouTube Studio, Settings, Channel, Basic Info. Scroll down to channel tags, paste, save. Step 4, the most important step and the one nobody talks about. A brand new channel has zero algorithm trust. YouTube doesn't know if you're a real creator or a spam account, so you prove it. For 2 weeks. Here's the rule. Upload 1 short every day for 14 days. Minimum 60% retention on each short. No breaks, no skipping days. After 14 days, the algorithm starts pushing your content. That's when the views spike.
Open ChatGPT. Paste this prompt. Hit generate. Download the image to wevy.ai. Link is in the description. Search for motion. Select Cling. Drag your pet image. Add your reference video. Choose version 2.6. This is the sweet spot. Free and ultra-realistic hit run. Now this video, drop it into your YouTube channel.